précision aiguë.
I want to come forth and be precise.
Pour plusieurs.
For many.
Et puis pour tout le monde, bon, pour tout le monde en général.
And for everyone.
Mais pas pour mon porte étoile vraiment.
Not specifically for those who are members of the Narrow Gate Ministry.
Et pour mon cap travail pour créer dossier sur moi.
However, for those who are working very hard to create and plot against my life.
Et m'a parlé directement.
And I'm speaking directly.
Avec tout journaliste qui travaille pour destruction.
To all the reporters who are working against me for my destruction.
Et Teriel, Telus m'a parlé avant directement.
Teriel, Telus, I'm speaking to you directly.
Premièrement.
First of all.
Mandez l'église, la mission en général.
I ask the church, the entire ministry of Narrow Gate, to pray for Teriel, Telus, who's working hard to destroy me, who believes and thinks he can destroy me. Pray for him. Because if it is the program of the Lord, that I live and that he may die, that I may die and he shall live.
Si Satan a programme mon Dieu
if it is the program of the Lord that I shall die, because for me, my head is above. Meanwhile, his head is the heading low. His head is hung low.
There
is a video currently that's the media.
Pasteur Armel Lafleur a supporté un prostitué
pasteur. That has been shown that Pastor Armel has supported a prostitute of a pastor. Did you hear this, Pastor Noah?
Can
you see how bad, how gang, how mean, how evil-minded are some reporters with a mic in their hands?
John Jounalis sérieux qui connaît
enquête. He is an upright journalist and reporter who knows how to conduct his research well. And the problem that I say Pastor Raphael once the reporter, in exception of John Marvin as a reporter, once the reporter come to my files, they always end up being like idiots. They behave as idiots once they come to when it comes to me.
John Marvin, avant de parler de moi, il mène enquête.
Before he comes to talk about me, he conducted all his researches. He spent money to learn more.
Il dépensait, il cherchait.
He does a lot of researches.
C'est ça me connaît un intellectuel.
That's what I know about an intellectual. Somebody who goes to school. You don't go to school just to be an idiot.
Even if you don't have
the Holy Spirit dwelling in you, even if Dambala, the spirit of serpent is in your head, possess you, but at least have the common sense to understand things. Why did you learn? Why did you learn a profession? Why did you go and build a career? Just as Brother Gabe has said, I have yet to have a journalist come and meet with me, and I have asked for you to come and meet me. You don't even have to meet and talk to me. You could just speak to one of my members or my regular attending. And all the wonders that's happening in the church, I have yet to have a reporter come to me and ask me questions. How did you make it through Matisson? That does not even interest them. That is not of an interest to them. But let me just be precise. Let me give you a precision right now. First, the first one. I'm in charge of an entire mission that has approximately 150 churches as part of my ministry, whom I'm leading, where I'm directing. If someone had common sense, if you wanted to interpret something, don't go to the tail, but seek the tail.
Bon là, de vous pas interpréter tête, ou pas analyser tête avant
the head before you go to the tail, then you have a problem in your brain. You have an issue in the brain. You have an issue of a common sense. You have a common sense problem.
Teriel Telus.
And Teriel Telus. You have lost your common sense. Because this pulpit that you see here,
même Pasteur Armel va VIP là-dedans.
even Pastor Armel is not VIP when he gets on this pulpit.
Don't you
notice that a lot of people who used to sit on this pulpit and who no longer see them sitting up here because they were not according to the gospel, they no longer can sit here. This is not my message. I'm going to just stop right here. This is not my message for the evening. I believe that everyone who's listening, I hope that you may call onto your common sense, even if you hate the dog, but do not tell the dog that he has filthy teeth. Even if you hate the dog, even if the dog may bite you, but don't say that the dog itself has bad teeth.
No, I'm going to show off. I'm going to show off in this country as much as I can.
Are you here, Brother Wilfred? There's a man. I just learned about him. I just heard of his name. Since the name is written in the Bible, once I hear the name, because there's Prophet Abdias in the Bible. It's a name that I just heard of not too long ago. I heard of this man named Abdias, who's a pastor, who's a prostitute. He's walking around, sleeping with women. Yet I heard that I'm the one who's supposedly supporting him. Meanwhile, he has been arrested in Santo Domingo. Yet they have been claiming that I am supporting this prostitute. Even if you guys want to get likes and views on social media, don't do that. You're putting a weight over yourself, over your shoulders, that you cannot bear. Let us compare. Let us compare quickly. If I was to support a pastor who's a prostitute, how is it that I sanction my own son because he allowed a young woman to kiss him? He allowed a young woman to kiss him, yet I sanction him right here publicly in front of the entire world. Teriel, Telus, let your common sense be at work here. This guy, I've never met him. I only heard of his name. I don't even know where his church is located. I don't know his name. I don't know his full name. I don't know his address. I don't know his wife. I don't know anything about him. When this guy is living his life, this morning I called Pastor Fidel to ask him, do you know such a name? And I heard that he's been living in such a name since 2013 to 2020. And he's been living a life of prostitution since inside of the church that he's leading. And because he's done so much of a mess inside the church, he felt that God is going to kill him because of his nonsense. He heard about the narrow gate ministry who does not mess with sin. He heard about the gospel in the ministry of narrow gate. Therefore, he came forward himself and said he's coming to surrender himself unto the church. He came to the Pasteur Fidel met him on the 13th of February of 2022.
Pasteur Fidel, Jean Fidel Maison comme apôtre de la République dominicaine.
The pastor of the Narrow Gate ministry over there in Santo Domingo.
Rencontré monsieur à 13 février 2022. Monsieur a gagné depuis la vivre dans saleté depuis 2013 à 2020. Qui rapport ça gagne avec
13 to 2020? What does that have to do with me?
Teriel, qui rapport ça avec le monde entier, qui rapport ça avec
what does that have to do with
jusqu'à présent pas connait monsieur.
Until now I have yet to meet this man.
Avec
First, that's the only first. That's the first phase of
Jounalis savent faire comprendre monsieur.
The reporter
Jounalis savent faire comprendre monsieur c'est pasteur lié.
that this man is
C'est pasteur la mission lié.
the pastor
En
of my
comprenant c'est
ministry.
moins.
Meanwhile,
En façon pour un dossier. Pour dire même qu'il y a pasteur qui a gaspillé mon.
Documents against my life, against my ministry, to say that I have pastors who are messing around. I have yet to even see the picture of this man.
Avant pour mon pasteur.
And let me tell you something. Before somebody can even be a as a pastor in the narrow gate, they have to go through many steps. Lastly, they have to come to the central office for Apostle Enoch, for Apostle Gamaliel to consult him.
Pasteur au sédito administrateur étudié.
To study his case.
Pour pasteur Basquin étudié.
For Pastor Baskin to study his case.
Pour pasteur Glésil Abraham étudier
to study his case.
Thoroughly,
all these offices, then it goes to my office before it gets to my desk for me to do a last study of this case.
Teriel,
So therefore, if you want to eat, don't think you can attack me. Don't think you can destroy me. There's no road. There's no way that you can destroy me. The third phase. How can I be unless if somebody comes to a church? How am I supposed to have an eye on each and every one of them when somebody comes to the church? The guy, he now wants to surrender his church to the narrow gate ministry because he knows he's a sinner and he no longer can lead the ministry. But what does that have to do with me? You guys are evildoers. The guy is not a pastor of the Lord. He doesn't have any vows in my sign for him. He's not a leader of my ministry. But the guy can come to the church. He's a regular attendee, but he's not a leader. I don't even know his face. And I asked the now to stand on your feet. It is time. How you want it, that's how you will want it as well. I asked the entire world to stand because that is the image. I'm not afraid of nobody. I fear no one. I have my Bible in hand. I have my Bible. You have your microphone, but I have my Bible. And God, there is something in this country.
Dans le monde entier,
throughout the entire world, I am ready for whatsoever is to come.
Dans le nom de Jésus,
in the name of Jesus Christ, I am ready.
Et cherchez de ce toujours.
And go ahead and try to keep looking for things. Create and plot around. If somebody I don't even know the name, I don't know their face. He's never come to my office. I never signed for him.
Alors pour mal pour tel fait depuis 2013 à 2020 pour venir charger sous moi. Faire le monde entier connaît.
Put it as a weight on me to tell the whole world. It is too late for you. It is too late for you. It is too late. It is too late. It is too late. Oh, it is too late. But it is too late. It's too late. Oh, my leg, my foot is on the head of the devil. Everyone in the world knows. You need a refuge. This is the address if you need a refuge. All throughout the world they know this. For my foot is already on the neck of the devil.
Hallelujah. Again.
What's going on? And don't forget,
selon le programme de Dieu,
according to the program of the Lord, whether you live and I die,
je suis prêt pour le ciel.
Because I'm ready for heaven.
Et que Céline mourit,
whether Céline
mourit,
may Céline die,
selon le programme de Dieu,
according to the program of God.
Alléluia.
Hallelujah.
D'après nous comprendre.
hope you understand.
The
way you see me, you see me night and you see me at night and you see me during the day. The only place you will see me is the hotel. You won't find me in the hotel room. That's the only place you're going to find me. And if I should show up in the hotel, I come to save someone. I come to deliver someone. If you shall see me in the hotel room.
Et dans tout côté dans le monde.
And anywhere throughout the world.
L'évangile ça va prêcher à l'imposer.
The gospel I'm preaching is imposed. His Bible. It is imposed.
I will tell
every journalist and reporter in this country, you are only doing your profession. I respect you. But if you think when your mouth about Pastor Armel, just so you can be destroyed, I'll tell you, you are a liar. You are a liar. You cannot destroy me. You don't know where I come from. Oh, the level of knowledge. You guys are liars. You are liars. You have mistaken.
Don't forget,
I've said it throughout the world. This gospel I'm preaching for Joe Biden, the President of the United States of America. My anointing I receive from him. There are sickness that may fall upon Joe Biden, and I'm the one the Lord will use to heal him. In the name of Jesus. Because in the battle, there's the first, there's the one person, there's the first, and the second. There's the person who is leading, and there's the one who's coordinating. But I say in the name of Jesus, if there's two people who's leading the battle, but I may not be the first, but I am the second. If there are 7 people who's leading the country, who's leading the age, the era with the gospel, I am not even the 6th, but I am the 7th one.
If
there are 7 people who stand to the face of the devil, I am the 7th person. And God, let me tell you something throughout the whole world. If there's 5 dogs preaching the gospel, over here, if there's 7 pulpits, if there are 7 pulpits preaching the gospel, this church is the 7th. They're looking for hoodlums and vagabonds to attribute them with me as if I'm supporting vagabonds and hoodlums. Guys, don't do that, okay? Don't do that. Call upon your common sense. Call upon your common sense. Get yourselves together. Get yourselves together. I said, now again, take your microphone and stand firm. For me to know, who are you? I'm going to tell you something. In this society, before you run your mouth, you got to tell me, what do you do? What do you do? What have you accomplished for this community? I have several family members who are employed. I'm taking care of them. I'm feeding their family. And my family, when they stand here, they are models. They are role models. My family is a role model. My first child, my second, my third, my fourth, my 5th child. They're all role models. When they stand here, oh, they are role models. Because it's a role model. It's a family. It's a leading example. Sometimes
et puis on connaît au cabine faire moral.
you
Et
find
moi
some
si
of
dans
them,
pays
they are prostitutes, they are
que
all
tout
types of
journaliste, tout
animals.
le monde dans le pays attendait. Pas que monde dans le pays a fait moral moi.
No one here can speak to me about morality. No one here.
Again.
There's no one here who can stand before me and preach me.
Oh,
the preacher has hit. My sermons have reached their start. My sermons have reached their start. Oh, don't wait. Despite how you see it, my victory is my hand. And I hope you understand this well. And if you see it the way it looks, oh, just know there is more. No, there is more. There is more to come. Whether you want it or not. All Masons, they know this is their refuge. All for the priest, this is their refuge. Whether you want or not. This is their refuge.
Et là, nous pas prendre comme
and when you come, we don't want your money.
Teriel, Telus, souvenez n'a pas au fond de non. Parce que pas
I will take money from you because you are nothing but a non-believer. A Gentile, that's what you are. Gentile.
Je suis un homme de Dieu bien préparé.
I am a man of God, very well equipped.
Et qui se pose dans le pays.
Who impose himself in the country, throughout the world.
Depuis nous rien l'évangile moi.
Once you have touched my gospel. Let me tell you something. I'm going to tell you something. It's better for you to touch me. But don't touch your gospel. Are you listening to me? Are you listening? Did you hear me? Did you hear me? Touch your man, but do not touch my gospel. Because I want to know in this time the gospel if you shut down your microphone, you're not going to shut down the microphone. My microphone will not be shut down.
Hallelujah. I
have many songs. They will give you a response if you mess around. The Psalms will give you a response on my behalf. Lest you mess around with me. This gospel. This gospel. I hope maybe you don't understand. Let me tell you something. My gospel has reached the White House of America. Oh, because my interpret is doing a job well done.